Hey there, I wanted to make a really quick video showing you how to generate barcodes from a CSV. This is super simple to do. I made a site for this. It's called CSVtoBarcode.com. Just go to this site and click right here to upload your CSV. I have a sample barcode CSV. So I'm going to go ahead and upload this. And then once it's uploaded, you're going to map a couple fields. So the barcode value is going to be the column that actually has the value you want to be scannable. So I'm going to map that to barcode value, and then you can see the first value or the value from the first row will show up here, and you'll be able to see just exactly what it was that you mapped. If you don't want any label text on there or any text below the barcode, you don't need to select one for label text. I'm going to have one called label text here. You can see this is more like a product SKU. And then come down to barcode options, and you need to select a size for the barcode. I'm going to select a 2.25 by 1.25 inches barcode. I'm going to click generate barcodes, and now they've been generated. I can go ahead and download it, and I'll open this in a new PDF. And you can see here are all of the barcodes that we had requested to generate. These are all scannable, and so there should be more. There you go. You can see 10 barcodes. Hope this video helped. If it did, please leave a like, subscribe, and I'll leave the link to this site down in the description below. Thanks.